嗱，今日嚟到耀力，呢度係早晨啊，喺啲4樓 flat，佢哋會係耀力啊，今晚耀力 Cheras for breakfast， Yankee Noodle House，and then next to it is 招丁記9鼎記啊，唔係6鼎記 ，coffee 嘅先勢。Very popular place. Let's try and see. Let's explore. So many people. 嗰啲係咩嚟嘅？燒酒啊？咩魚頭咩係咪？
有豬肉有海鮮都有。
有魚頭米。
鴨煲係多人食。
有咩啫？魚頭米、豬肉粉、pork noodle、then seafood noodle， 生蝦麵。睇嚟冇咩啱我哋喎，行去第二度啊！好食嘅呢間應該睇到好多燒酒啊，但係因為冇咩啱我老婆口味，so should be quite good 啦。你知 this all alcohol nice one actually is for the noodle. But look at this， 哇！9鼎記啊！呢個就係典型嘅 coffee shop。This is the traditional coffee shop, like my favorite 粉燈麵。有咖喱麵喎，
咖喱啊，雞絲啊，
雞絲河粉，
咩都有。
點心都有。好啊 ，sorry。哇，學家西。我哋我都 have 糖水、dessert、甜品、布丁啊，有我個芒果布丁。OK， 揾位坐。梗係依間啦。睇咁多人啊，真係。咩嚟嘅？麵包 cake， 哦 ，special flavour。You even have dumplings， 仲有揼丁啊，有呢個。脆皮燒雞啊 ，roast chicken。Here, this is the place。快就揾到位啦，已經呢個我哋嗌咗呢個 set， 然之後其他嘅嘢，叉燒包都嗌一粒嚟試下。So we gotta sit outside 啦。Not that we want, but there's no space already, so we have to make ourselves comfortable outside. Yes, it's very full. The place is also very small. 太細間啦，依家都，但係真係夠㗎啦。嗌咗啲嘢嚟試下，仲有第二啲嘢啊！呢個就係我嗰隻脆皮雞啊！你仲有呢個白咖啡喎，其實想食呢個，但係太早啦，所以 wanted to eat this one also, but it's too early perhaps for desserts like this. Okay, let's wait for the food. 終於到啦，呢個咖啡 finally reach. White coffee actually 呢個係白咖啡嚟㗎，自己炒㗎喎。據說係自己炒嘅咖啡豆啊，所以they actually say that the beans are actually done by them. So it's authentic, not the typical 3-in-1 packet， 唔係嗰啲3合1嗰啲嘅。睇下有幾香先。好飲啊！特別苦。 特別沖啊，特別膠啊。So the coffee is damn nice actually. Quite bitter. So the original coffee taste. And then the next one that we want to highlight is this curry meat. 呢個就係落嚟嘅主角啦，又有燒肉啦，又有咖喱麵，又有豬皮喎，正啊！誒，雲吞麵嘅，嗌到雲吞麵喎，哎呀，勾住咗。Oh, seems nice 啊 ！Let's try。咖喱麵唔錯，原來係全蛋麵嚟喎。So the noodle is nice, very crunchy. Then you have the dim sum. We also ordered some dim sum. 睇嚟好正啦！個叉燒包就好似大粒咗啲。包 looks bigger than normal。老婆話呢個都唔錯喎。My wife said this one is very good. Then we want to try the 包。燒賣好唔好食？好食，唔係講好食。燒賣a bit normal 啦，just normal. So let's see what the 泡 looks like inside. 哇！似足金寶啲包，但係大型咗，大隻咗啲。It's a little bit big, but looks good inside. A lot of insertion. 麵包係落足料㗎嚇，個 butter. Look at the butter is thick. My wife says good. So it's double. Not like there are some shops they really just give you a small bit of butter. In this case, this one is good. 試下先啊！咦？做咩咁啊？超一半嘅呢個係掛羊頭賣狗肉嘅剩。I thought the whole piece is only half. They just put it like this so to be impressive, but actually only one piece. But still, it's actually tastes good 啊！但係依然都係好食嘅，其實，所以冇得好嫌啦，係。呢啲雞新鮮嘅，有啲牛奶。The environment is like this, so damn good, nice. Next time just come here because this place is good, authentic. Got aircon and people are nice. 好，正嘢應該係可以分享嘅，下次再嚟過。仲有埋海南麵包。呢度咧就朝早7點半就有得食㗎啦，8點開始有啲燒臘鋪燒臘嘢食，然之後咧5點放工。So the timing is 7 in the morning, 7:30 you get food. Then by 5 they close, 5 p.m. Then wow. Next week we want to try this lah. This is the aftermath. Next week we try this. Then this neighborhood is classic ah. Downstairs is like shops like this. Then you have a medical hall here also. 哇！呢個中藥。呢個典型嘅鋪頭啊，幾耐啊？
条里面那条长裤很紧哦，妈还没有拖出来，撩出来了哦。他急了的时候嘛。
Then this place is the one of the famous。嗱，呢個雲吞麵幾多人啊？下次採訪啊！排隊啊，大佬，有冇？要拎雲吞麵。我知， 我都未入過啊。So Ulick got a lot of good food. Next time we come here and eat. Okay, thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. 今日到此為止啦，下次再帶你嚟Ulick食嘅，Ulick大把咁多嘢食啊，其實。多謝收睇啦，拜拜。